It is very hard. I don't know what to say. I ran out of words, but I believe that God wanted her to go home. Because we went to God, we prayed for her, we asked God to disappoint Dr. Kehlelezi, because we don't share the same God with Inyanga. Like Dr. Kehlelezi, we don't share the same God. So we expected at least the prophecy to come within the Church of Christ. So if someone from outside bringing the prophecy to us, it was something that was awkward. It was a clear indication that this was a pure devil speaking on our behalf, on behalf of our God. So my plea was that God just disappoint Dr. Kehlelezi. But God be God, He decided otherwise. Rest in peace, Sis Zanele.